Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Kevin and this is the Wrenchin' Fool. So in this video I just wanted to give another quick update on some information that I got today regarding the trade repurchase and buyback process on my 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV as a result of the battery fires and recalls. If you haven't seen my other videos about the subject, just click up there. I'll put a card up at the top as well as a link down in the description to a playlist of all the videos I've made about that so far. There's lots of information in there, including information about the recall itself, as well as my personal experience with the buyback process. It has been quite a lengthy one. So in the last video that I uploaded, I mentioned in there that there was a pilot program being started for people like myself who have ordered a new Bolt EV or EUV to replace their current vehicle under the recall program. And a lot of people like myself are still waiting because Bolt's production has been shut down for a couple of months now, and it's basically shut down indefinitely. So I heard more back today regarding that process. I had actually been in contact with my local dealership to look and see what inventory was available, and if anything was available that I liked, to tag it for myself. Well, I did find a vehicle there that I do like. I'm not going to share the details about it. I did make a sacrifice on one particular option, but I actually got to switch another option that I prefer more than the vehicle I had before. We'll just put it that way. I don't think I'm losing out on anything too major. But anyway, this is a vehicle that's already been built. It was built after the countermeasures and improvements were put in place on the batteries, so it's not covered under recall. It doesn't need to be recalled because it's already been fixed, hopefully. So I picked that vehicle a few days ago. I heard back today for sure that it's now definitely set aside for me, and I got a little bit more info about the procedure going forward. Basically, they're having to start over the offer, so they're going to have to write a new offer for this vehicle, send it through their legal department, make sure that everything checks out as far as the lemon laws and consumer protection laws in my state here in Oregon. They said that's going to take a week or two to figure out and get sorted out, and then they'll submit a new offer to me to accept or decline. As long as there's nothing weird in there, I plan on accepting it. He said after that gets accepted, they will then put the vehicle that I purchased or that I'm trading for on a truck, ship it up here to my local dealership, and then we'll then set a date with the dealership to go in there, do the whole swap, sign all the paperwork, and then I'll be driving home with a new vehicle. They're estimating at this point that that's going to put us until probably the end of January, beginning of February, before everything gets sorted out and I get into my new car. So at least now I have a little bit better timeline of what everything is going to take. I had kind of an idea of what inventory is available. Again, I did have to make a sacrifice on one option, but at this point, I think that it's worthwhile just to get out of the old Bolt, get into a new one, and put this whole process behind me. So that's going to be it for this video. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up and a like. If you have any questions for me, put them down there in that comment section. And if you'd like to hear more about the process of the buyback and see what the final result is for me, be sure to hit that subscribe button there. Otherwise, thanks for watching.